My ingredients are tuna tomato stew, spaghetti that has been broken into two, canned tuna, already washed rice, sliced green pepper, iodinated salt, milled pepper or what others call powdered pepper, hot water. The tool that I'm going to use is wooden spoon. You can use carving fork or stewing spoon, and also my aluminum foil, which I'm going to use to cover the rice. Hello viewers, once again you are welcome to Mama Franca'S kitchen. Today on our tutorials, we are going to learn how to make Franca'S tuna and spaghetti jollof rice. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, Mama Franca'S to the world, kindly do so now. And in case you want the best vocational school in Ghana to attend, then I introduce to you Franca'S Vocational School in Aguna Suedro, where they offer courses in fashion designing, catering, event and floral decor, beading, millinery, which is hat making, and cake decoration and sugar craft, as well as the technical courses, which is building construction and electricals. At Franca'S, they write exams on MVTI and NAPTES. This is the best school I can ever introduce to you. Call for enquiry on 0208 159 427. Let's start with our meal for today. Okay, we're about to start. I am your host and your tutor, Mama Franca'S. All right. So we already have our sauce on fire. This is a tuna sauce I made. I'm going to put the link in the description so that you can follow and prepare the same thing for our tuna and spaghetti jollof rice. Okay. Which simply means that you can use leftover tuna sauce to do it. Jollof rice is a Ghanaian meal. Not only Ghanaian, Nigerians do have their own, Gambians, Liberians, but the best come from Ghana. And I have my own variation too. Jollof rice is a one pot meal. It's just like you having plain rice with stew that has come together, and it's the best you can ever have in Ghana. You see, in Ghana we have people who don't eat some kind of our foods, but I've never heard anyone who says I don't eat jollof rice. So whichever country you come from, try this one and you really love Ghana and everything in Ghana. Okay, so we have our sauce ready. In the preparation of the sauce, we did put in milled pepper, but because we are now going to put rice in and add water, the hotness of the pepper may go down, so it's best to add a little pepper to it. So I have my milled pepper here that I'm adding to it. In case you are looking for the best vocational school in Ghana to attend, where you can learn more jollof rice, then I introduce to you Franca'S Vocational School in Aguna Suedro, where you can learn catering, fashion designing, events and floral decor, hat making, beading, and electricals and building construction. Okay, let's start. Now that our sauce is ready, the first thing that we are going to put in, the first commodity that we are going to put in is our spaghetti. You have to put in gradually and stir. You have to take time to do it because it is not boiled. Okay. Gradually. Okay. So then we also have to add our flake tuna. That is the canned tuna. Add the oil and everything to it. Stir together gradually. Okay. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed to it, so that you can learn a lot of tutorials, watch marriage and dating videos, and talk shows. Okay. At this time, you have to check the temperature. Now, the next thing I'm going to add is the chief ingredient number 2, which is the rice. It depends on the amount. You have to add it gradually. You know, when mixing it together, it's a bit work, a bit. You have to take time to do it. Okay, so it's time now for us to add our hot water. Gradually. How do you know the amount of water to add? It depends on the quantity of your rice and the spaghetti. So one of the tricks that I'll give it to you is, don't add all the water at once. Gradually stir, and then make sure that at least the water on it is about a quarter of an inch. The water on it is about a quarter of an inch, because the rice already has stew in it. If you don't take time, you are going to make jollof porridge, which I don't think that is what you want to do. Okay, so this is how it should look like. Not much water. And also it depends on the brand of rice, but at least with this, it's okay. Okay, so at this time you have to check the salt, because with the salt I put in my tuna stew was okay, and moreover it has taken a day or two, so sometimes it becomes a bit, salty a bit. You don't have to add salt until you have checked. Don't forget, you do not add too much water. That is why I didn't add salt straight out. You can use a spoon to check. Bit okay, but then I think we will need a little sprinkle of salt. Always it is good to taste before adding more salt. For jollof rice, it is very easy for it to get burnt. So whenever you are cooking, you have to be very careful. Keep stirring and checking the temperature of your cooker or whichever source of heat you are using. We are getting there, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World, the best channel ever, because you have a lot of things there. You have the tutorials, you have videos on marriage, relationships, dating, and love relationships. We also have talk shows there. So that's what I mean by being the best channel. Okay, so at this time you won't waste much at all. You have to cover it with your foil, aluminum foil. A couple of months ago, I had a visitor from Germany, an expatriate, and after cooking my special jollof rice for him, he said something. This is why I want you to start learning this very method. He said he ate some of the jollof in Accra, but he was telling me that mine is quite different. For him, he thinks he's eating the real jollof rice he has heard about all over the world, about Ghanaian jollof rice. What I saw that he was trying to explain is other jollof rice contain a lot of spices, which is not good. When you cook jollof rice, people must eat and enjoy without those spices. By the way, there are some spices for jollof that are in town, that are in the market. You can try some and see, but for me, I love it this way, the perfect one, because I believe in good health. So at this time, we are going to leave it, but then we will come and attend to it. Keep stirring, maybe within 2, 3 to 5 minutes. 2, 3 to 5 minutes, because it depends on your temperature. But don't forget, don't use high heat for this kind of food. We'll come back again. Okay, so it's about 5 minutes now. We are going to turn our rice. So you stir from the bottom to the top, all over. You must make sure that you don't break the rice. Maintain it. So as I said, you can use carving fork or the flat stirring wooden spoon. Okay. So now I'm going to add some fresh green pepper. Already we have some already in my stew, but a little bit to make it more appetizing and colorful. If you have the other ones, the yellow, the red one, you can also add it. It's for variations. Okay. So now you stay together. Take time. Sometimes the down part will start forming, but you must make sure that you don't mix it thoroughly with it. Mine has started forming. There are times with cooking of jollof rice where people do change pans. It's normal. What I mean is that they turn it into another pan in order to avoid it forming the down parts. Okay. At this time, I'm going to cover it again. And then maybe our second time, it may be cooked. It depends on the type of rice, as I said. But this is almost cooked, but a bit hard. Talking about the rice, a bit hard. So you come back with your aluminum foil. In case you don't have aluminum foil, you can use kitchen cloth to cover it nicely. Okay, we shall be back for tasting very soon, I believe. Okay, so we are still going to do our checking, of which I believe strongly that our food is ready. For the rice. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World, kindly do so. You have jollof and you have jollof, and this one is the real jollof rice. So this is how it is. It is soft, but it's grainy. It's not like the jollof that I saw somewhere, which looks like porridge. So we're about to serve. You see something, look at the green pepper. It is not mushy. It is not soft. Neither is it that hard. So when you eat it, you also have the best nutrition that you need from it. Okay, so I'm going to dish out off camera and serve for us to enjoy. You enjoy with your eyes, whilst my guests enjoy with the mouth. There is a song that somebody sang. It says, "Onyame Yedidi, Onyame 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 He said, I love my life. I love my life. I tell you, I love my jollof rice. Try it and you will love it too. Okay. You see, with this kind of jollof rice, with the spaghetti, we have other ones that you have to fry the spaghetti. But that is not what I did. The reason why I don't like that one is it becomes a bit hard, and then that it becomes also a little bit brown. I don't like that color. I love it this way. It looks just like me. Okay, so we're gonna serve. Hello viewers. Now we are set with our Franca'S tuna and spaghetti jollof rice. I'm going to call a guest to come and help with the tasting. She's a student of Franca'S Vocational School. They are school prefect and a fashion student. I intentionally didn't bring a caterer. A fashion student must do this tasting. If you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, as I'm inviting my guests, kindly go and do so. Mama Francisca to the world. Please click on the notification button for updates so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be the first person to have it. I'll call on Miss Lisa to come and help with the tasting. Okay, so I have here Franca'S tuna and spaghetti jollof rice. Do the tasting and tell me how it is. Somebody should come and see something. It's grainy, but not hard. How is it? Is it the best you have ever had? Yes. So you just try it at home and continue to visit our channel, Mama Francisca to the World, for new videos on food, pastry, cakes, drinks, beverages of all sorts, ice creams, whatever it is you want. But please, first subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the notification button so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be the first person to have it. If you want us to provide service for you of all kinds, call 0542 61 9011. Visit my website www.mamafranciscatotheworld.org. Like my page on Facebook, Mama Francisca's Kitchen. Until I come your way again, my number is also on WhatsApp. And don't forget, if you want the best vocational school to attend, it is Franca'S Vocational School in Agona Stredo. We offer courses in vocational skills and technical skills. For enquiries, call 02081599427 and talk to the proprietress. Until we come your way once again, bye-bye.